got him. I says, and you just take it for granted.
You hope the health department is covering for you. You can turn that knob. Ted, you gonna bring up that downrigger? Oh, okay. It wasn't off? I thought it was off.
They were understanding.
Is the fish still on there? Yeah, he's still on there.
Yeah, something on, but it's not big enough to release the downrigger, so possibly I got it.
I could have.
That's good.
Yeah, every once in a while it wiggle.
Once in a while we're gonna catch some fish. We're gonna take a time and enjoy this last fish. Oh, that's a big one. Big guy.
Bring it around the side. Don't lift it with the rod. You'll break my pole. Bring it around to the side. Yeah, bring it over here.
Yeah, that's a big sandy.
Yeah, you don't want to break my pole. Okay, back up. Okay, open the bail.
How come they didn't release my...
I don't know. That's the keeper. Measure him. 16?
Yeah, 16.
I could only see just a little wiggle on the tip of the rod. That's how I knew he had a fish on.